Hello friends, today we are going to study the second part of the characteristics of business economics. In last period we have discussed about the 8 features or characteristics of business economics. Now remaining whatever features or characteristics of business economics are there, we are going to study. So that's why characteristics of business economics part 2 today. Features or characteristics of business economics part 2 continue. After 8th features, now 9th one today, technique of business problem solving. Okay, business economics is nothing but it is a technique which is used for business problem solving. व्यवसायाच्या समस्या सोडवण्यासाठी एक तंत्र म्हणून व्यावसायिक अर्थशास्त्राचा आपण या ठिकाणी वापर करतो. ओके, टेक इनटू अकाउंट हियर. Sorry. Business economics is a technique or tool of business problem solving. The knowledge of business economics is used by the business person as a tool to solve the economic problems in business. Under the process of business problem solving, firstly, the business problem is to be identified, then alternative solutions are to be found, and lastly the best suitable alternative solution is to be used to solve the problem. Business economics is considered as a technique of business problem solving. It means what? By the or with the help of the business economics knowledge, a business person firstly can identify the business problem, secondly the alternative solutions he is going to found, and then lastly best suitable alternative solution is to be used to solve the business problem. That's why business economics is nothing but it is a technique of business problem solving. व्यवसायाच्या समस्या सोडवण्याचं हे एक काय आहे, तंत्र आहे की ज्यामध्ये समस्या आयडेंटिफाय करणे, त्या समस्येचे वर उपाय शोधणे आणि त्यापैकीच बेस्ट पर्याय किंवा चांगला पर्याय निवडणे आणि समस्या सोडवणे. नेक्स्ट, नंबर 10, टेक्निक ऑफ बिझनेस डिसिजन मेकिंग. असं म्हटलं जातं, व्हॉट एवर बिझनेस पर्सन डज ही और शी डज ओनली थ्रू द डिसिजन मेकिंग ओनली. And in decision making, the knowledge of business economics is very useful, very useful, because in decision making okay, take into account here, business economics is a tool or technique of business decision making. निर्णय घेणे, डिसिजन घेणे म्हणजे काय, डिसिजन मेकिंग म्हणजे काय, निर्णय घेणे. व्यवसायाचे निर्णय घेण्याचं व्यावसायिक अर्थशास्त्र हे काय आहे, तंत्र आहे. व्हॉटेवर बिझनेस पर्सन डज ही और शी डज थ्रू द डिसिजन मेकिंग. व्यावसायिक जो काही करतो तो निर्णय घेण्याच्या माध्यमातूनच करतो. सो डिसिजन मेकिंग शुड बी ॲक्युरेट अँड प्रॉम्प्ट. निर्णय घेत असताना निर्णय कसा असावा, अचूक आणि वेळेवर घेतलेला असावा, तत्पर, प्रॉम्प्ट. These two are very important in business decision making. The knowledge of business economics in the form of economic technique, theories, principles of the decision making will help to make accurate and prompt decision. It is the process under which we have to analyze and compare the various courses of action or alternative solutions, and then the best suitable course of action or alternative solution is to be chosen as a decision. Means decision making is a process. निर्णय घेणे ही एक प्रक्रिया आहे. And in this process, firstly we have to decide on what we are going to take the decision. Then the course of actions म्हणजे काय, पर्याय, means alternative solutions. ती समस्या सोडवण्यासाठी किंवा निर्णय घेण्यासाठी आपल्यासमोर असलेले पर्याय शोधणे, मीन्स कोर्सेस ऑफ ॲक्शन फाइंड करणे. देन कम्पेअर करणे, याचा या एकूण कोर्स ऑफ ॲक्शनपैकी कुठलं कोर्स ऑफ ॲक्शन किंवा अल्टरनेटिव्ह बेस्ट सुटेबल आहे ते अभ्यासणे आणि बेस्ट सुटेबल ॲक्शन और कोर्स ऑफ ॲक्शन किंवा अल्टरनेटिव्ह सोल्युशन चूज करणे, निवडणे म्हणजेच निर्णय घेणे होय. आणि इन डिसिजन मेकिंग द नॉलेज ऑफ बिझनेस इकॉनॉमिक्स विल हेल्प टू द बिझनेस पर्सन टू टेक द प्रॉपर डिसिजन अँड इन proper time. It is important. Next one, mostly microeconomics. We know the economics is classified in micro and macroeconomics. Macroeconomics means the study of whole economy, but in business economics we are going to study the micro level, means the business unit is important, and whatever problems are there of the business firm or unit are important here. That is why under the subject of business economics mostly we are going to study what? The microeconomics, not the macro. So business economics is mostly or mainly the microeconomics in nature. हे एक सूक्ष्म अर्थशास्त्र आहे. It deals with the individual unit of the economy, person, product, family, firm, industry, etc. Subject matter of the business economy is mostly the microeconomic analysis. It consists demand analysis, supply analysis, cost analysis, consumer analysis, production analysis, etc. Next, technique of cost analysis. Business economics is a technique of cost analysis because cost of the product is the key in business decision making, because cost is related to the price and price related to the demand and demand is related to sale and sale is related to the profit and profit is the main motive of the business. खर्च किमतीशी, किंमत मागणीशी आणि मागणी विक्रीशी आणि विक्री नफ्याशी संबंधित असल्यामुळे आणि नफा हे आपला मेन मोटो असल्यामुळे या ठिकाणी cost analysis is very important. And if the cost is reduced, then price can be reduced. If the price is reduced, then demand can be increased, and if demand is increased, then sales can be increased, and if sales is increased, then the profit maximization is possible or can be maximized profit can be achieved. It is important in business. So with the help of the technique or theories of cost analysis from the subject of business economics will help to the business person to analyze the cost in business. That is why business economics is nothing but it is a technique of cost analysis and nothing else. Technique of demand analysis. Business economics is a technique of demand analysis. मागणी विश्लेषणाचं एक तंत्र आहे. Demand forecasting and prediction is very important in business. मागणीचा पूर्वानुमान करणे, अंदाज करणे, पूर्व अंदाज करणे अतिशय आवश्यक आहे. जर आपला अंदाज चुकला, if the demand forecasting is and prediction is wrong, then it will affect on production and supply of goods. Demand is based on various factors which should be taken into account or considered by the business person. The knowledge of business economics is used as a technique for demand analysis. कारण मागणीचा निर्णय चुकला त्यानुसार उत्पादनाचा निर्णय चुकतो आणि उत्पादन निर्णय चुकला त्यामुळे बरेचसे प्रॉब्लेम आपल्याला येऊ शकतात आणि म्हणून द accurate demand analysis is very important in business, and that is why with the help of the knowledge of business economics, business person is able to analyze the demand properly or accurately. Next number, technique of production analysis. Business economics is a technique or tool of production analysis. It deals with the production function. The theories of production function will help the business person to analyze the production and what method and technique of production should be used in business. Which technique of production be used, labor intensive or capital intensive or combination of both. Means under business economics, whatever production we are going to undertake in our business activity, for that what method of production should be used, what technique of production should be used, relating to that so many decisions are taken by the business person, and for that the knowledge of business economics will help to the business as a technique of production analysis and nothing else. Now last one, tool of consumer analysis. Business economics is a tool or technique of consumer analysis. ग्राहक विश्लेषण. Consumer means ग्राहक, and we know consumer is the king of the market and god of the business person. ग्राहक हा बाजारपेठेचा राजा आहे आणि व्यावसायिकाचा तो देव आहे. The various theories of consumer behavior will help to the business person to know and to understand the consumer's behavior, and all business decisions should be made by taking into account the consumer behaviors. So in business the nature of consumer or the behavior of consumer is very very important, because of that, considering the nature and behavior of consumer, we are going to take the steps in business, and that's why consumer analysis is possible only with the help of the knowledge of business economics, or business economics will help to the business person as a tool of consumer analysis and nothing else. Okay, thank you.